Okay, this program is meant for the continuation, like swapping of two numbers using bitwise operators. This is the third category. So how you are going to perform using your bitwise operator? So one of the bitwise operator is used to swap the two numbers without using any third variable, or with using third variable also we are not going to do, only using bitwise operator. That operator is called as your exclusive OR. That is cap symbol you are going to have. So if suppose I am taking A value as 5 and B value as 3. Now we will see here. This is the code. Okay. In this code I am reading A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 3. So how I can represent 5 and 3? I'll take only 3 things, that is 3 bits only I am going to take. 101 is 5 and 011 is 3. Now, if you perform exclusive OR, what is that one? So 101, 011, it gives you 110, 11 and 0. See here, I am writing here. If suppose for example A is equal to 5, which is equal to 0101, comma, C is equal to, B is equal to 3, which is nothing but 0011. Now, if I perform, the resultant will be A is equal to 00 is 0, 1 and excuse or 1 and 0 is 1, 0 and 1 is 1, 1 and 1 is 0. Now what is that value here? That is 110 is 6. Now the same values I am going to take here, and now here it is. What is A now? A is equal to, what is the previous thing I got it as 6, which is nothing but 0110, comma, B is equal to, what is the previous value of B? That is 3 is equal to 0011, comma, if I am performing this one, what will be the B value? B is equal to 00 is 0, 10 is 1, 11 is 0, 01 is 1, which is nothing but equal to 5. That is B is equal to 5. Now finally, if A is equal to, A value, yes, A value is equal to, what is the previous A value here? That is 6 is equal to 0110, comma, B value is, I got it as B is equal to 5, which is nothing but 0101, comma, now what will be the A value here? A is equal to 00 is 0, 11 is 0, 0, and again 11 is 0, and 10 is 1, and 01 is 1, which is nothing but equal to 3. So finally what I got here, B is equal to 5 and A is equal to 3. In this way we are going to perform the swapping of two numbers using bitwise operators. Let me execute this one. So what are the values I am going to take? 5 and 3. See here, before swapping, A is equal to 5, B is equal to 3. Now A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 5. That is what the answers we got here. Is it clear? Now, next program, task 2 bit is write a program to add two numbers without using arithmetic operators in C. Now, generally how you are going to perform the addition of two numbers? You are going to perform the addition of two numbers using plus operator. A plus B will return you the sum of two numbers. Now what I am going to do is, I am not going to use the arithmetic operator. Instead I am using another operator to get the sum of the two numbers. So what is that we are going to see here? So here generally I am going to use three operators called as bitwise AND, exclusive OR, and the other one is your left shift. Let me open this one. Sorry. Pen. Okay, is it clear? Now I am reading two values of A and B. Now here what I am going to do is A is equal to, here while scanf I am writing A is equal to some 5 comma B is equal to some 7. So what I should return? I should return sum is equal to 12 here. Here I have to get it as sum is equal to 12 I have to get for these two values. So what I am doing here, in the first step, B not equal to 0. What is B value? 7. 7 not equal to 0. Yes, it is true. So I am entering here. Now what will be the C value? C is equal to A and B. What is A? A is 5, which is nothing but 5, and B is 7, which is nothing but 0 1 0 1 and 0 1 1. What will be the resultant if you perform AND operation? 0 and 0 is 0, 1 and 1 is 1, 0 and 1 is 0, 1 and 1 is 1. Now the resultant will be 5. That means it implies C is equal to 5. Now here in the next line what I am going to do? A is equal to A XOR B. That is A is equal to A XOR B. What is A? A value is 5. 0 1 0 1 XOR B value is 0 1 1, which is nothing but here XOR 0 0 is 0, 1 1 is 0, 0 1 is 1, 1 1 is 0. That means C is equal to, A equal to, what is that value? 2. Now here what happens? B is equal to, I am overwriting the value of B, C left shift 1. What is C value? C value is 5, left shift 1. What do you mean by that? That means which is nothing but 0 1 0 1 left shift 1. So it will give me the answer as 1 0 1 0. Okay, so which is nothing but B is equal to 10. Now here B not equal to 0. Yes, so I'll overwrite this value as the next value as B is equal to 10 here. 10 not equal to 0. Yes. Again I'll perform C is equal to C, A and B. What is A? Now the new value of A is 2. New value of B is 10. So what happens here? So I'll erase this one. So I'll get it as like this. See, C is equal to A and B, 2 and 10, which is nothing but here 0 0 1 0 and 1 0 1 0. Okay, which is nothing but here AND operator 0 0 1 0, that is 2. Okay, so this process repeats until that, so finally here you are going to get A value as some 12. That value I am going to overwrite here. See here, now it is 2. C is equal to A XOR B, that is 2 XOR 10. Then you will get some result. Finally you will get as some 12. Okay. Now let me execute this one. Where it is, so open. So alt function F9. So A, B values as 5 and 7. Now alt function F5. So the sum is equal to 12. So finally you are getting the sum value as 5. So this is about the addition of two numbers without using your arithmetic operators. Thank you.